This video, let's talk about how do you increase your Instagram followers using Facebook ads. It's super easy, and there's a new way, there's a new option inside Facebook Manager that makes this so much easier. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, let's jump right into this video. Step number one, you are going to log into your Facebook Ads Manager, and let me show you step by step how to create a campaign that can grow your Instagram followers. So what we're gonna do is click on create. That's when you create a brand new campaign. Now this is very important. The campaign objective is gonna be, so all these options, you are gonna select traffic. Why? I'll tell you in the next step, but basically we want to send traffic to our Instagram profile. So click on traffic campaign, and then here it's good for link clicks, it's good for landing page views. You can see with this objective what is everything that you can achieve. Here's the list of all the things you can, oh, look at this. So here is the new option with traffic objective. Look at the bottom. I can get more Instagram profile visits. That's what I want. I want people to go to my Instagram profile and then follow me. So let's hit continue. And now you can do recommended setting, the campaign setup. Let's do manual because I want to show you all the steps. Continue. And then it's building up that campaign structure. Let me call it test IG traffic campaign. All right, nothing else needs to be changed here at the campaign level. I'm gonna hit next. And now we are at the ad set level. So this is where you wanna select the target audience. Who's the audience that you want this ad to be shown to? So if you're local business, it's probably gonna be your city, your country. If you have a business that targets specific audience, you can target their interests. So I'll show you in a second how to do it. Now conversion, this is very important. This is the new option here, send traffic to your Instagram profile. This was not there a few weeks ago, so I recently got this. So if you'll probably see this in your Facebook Ads Manager, Instagram profile. We're gonna send traffic to Instagram profile. Now scroll down, whatever your budget is. If this is the first time you're running ads, you may want to start with a small budget, but really up to you. 5, 10, 20, some people run at $100 a day, some people run $5 a day. So it's really up to what's the budget for your ad campaign, what's the advertising budget for your business. All right, schedule, I'll skip that. Now location, this is extremely important. Again, it depends on your business. For example, if I was running ad for a local gym, I would probably pick the city or the address of that gym, and then let's say 10-mile radius or 5-mile radius. All right, now let's go to the placement. So we want to send traffic. So what I'll do is show, right now it's the Advantage Plus placement. It's running ads on all the placements on Facebook and in Instagram. So Facebook feed, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, everywhere. But what I want to do is actually modify this. So I'm gonna edit this and then click on manual placement. The reason for this is, and actually you can already see it here, I used to have to modify this and select only Instagram. The reason it is Instagram only, can you guess? Because in the previous step, we picked Instagram profile. We're sending traffic to Instagram profile. So it automatically selected, disabled all the other ones. That's actually really, really neat, because in the past, I was still able to run these kind of ads, but I had to unselect these options. So good thing is Instagram is the only one that's selected, but make sure, verify your ads are running on stories, reels, in-stream ads, search results. So it's all Instagram placement. All right, because that's what we want. All right, let's hit next. So we picked our campaign objective, traffic. We selected our target audience. In this case, we selected US, and then we verified the ads is running only on Instagram. Now, next step, this ad is actually very important, because we want an ad where when people watch it, they're likely to go visit our profile. So I want to show you an example, a couple of examples that I've created. So let me bring a video on the screen. So here is a vertical video, Instagram Reels format video that we created. It's an ad created for this ad. I was today's year old when I learned this life hack. So we're sharing a life hack, and then we have a call to action that says follow us on Instagram for more. So create an ad that matches, for example, the example of a local gym. Maybe you want to talk about how awesome your gym is. Maybe you have new promotion. Maybe you have product on sale if you have e-commerce business. So create an ad about your business, but then I'll say use a call to action, something like this: follow us on Instagram. Because imagine people are going to see this ad. People are going to see this on their Instagram feed, stories, reels, everywhere, right? So have a small call to action, and that's it. So really simple 9-second video. That's the video we're going to use. Now identity, select make sure you have the right Facebook page selected, and also right Instagram account selected. Now ad setup. Now, by the way, you can use your existing published content from Instagram. Maybe the video that I just showed you, one option is I can post that video on Instagram and then run it as an ad. That's an option. Or in that case, I would select existing post. But in this case, I want to do create an ad, so I'll select that. All right, and then add creative, add media, add a video, and then I'll go find that video or upload that video from my, here's that video that I've already done. Hit done. And then your primary text, make sure you have the right text here. Follow us for the latest kitchen hacks. This business is about kitchen appliances, kitchen utensils, all kitchen stuff. All right, and then what's the call to action? Visit Instagram profile. And you'll notice once I select this, it will get updated. And see this tiny thing here, visit Instagram profile, it will get added on my ad. Now you can see all the placements. So here's my Instagram feed. This is how this ad is gonna look like on stories. I can play that and make sure everything looks great. On reels, it's gonna look awesome because, let me show this. See right here, visit Instagram profile, like a big banner at the bottom. So when people click here, they will go to my profile, and guess what? They are likely, once they go to my profile, they can easily click on the follow and follow me. This is how you set up this ad campaign. Now, let me actually go back because we have a similar campaign set up. So I don't want to publish this. I want to show you how you will be able to see your data. For example, this campaign is running already. And then you can see for this campaign, we had 1,600. Once your campaign is launched and up and running, you will be able to track the results in your Facebook Ad Manager. So I can see this campaign has driven 1,677 profile visits. How cool is that? This was only available on the mobile in the past, but now this objective of Instagram profile visit, it's now available inside Facebook Ads Manager. Any questions about Instagram growth, Instagram ads, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together. Bye for now.